politicians and bureaucrats have really messed it up over the last few decades. See, we are rain rich but water starved. Over the years, a lot of high-rise buildings started coming in. We call them condominiums or apartment complexes, right? So the builders started coming towards my area because of its good groundwater potential it had. But there's nothing wrong in that. But what the mistake they did was to pave the entire setback area, not allowing rainwater to percolate into the soil. So the entire quantity of rain falling within the premises was almost driven out. Earth gets water either from melting of ice or from rain. No other way does the earth get water. So for India, it's mostly from rain. And it rains only for a few days in a year. So unless you capture that rain, you are going to run out of water for the rest of the year. So I used to go from house to house telling people, leave enough open space within your house. And that is enough for rainwater to percolate. If we set up a model house for rainwater harvesting, people can come and learn about rainwater harvesting. The third objective is to carry out studies and surveys periodically to find out various things about groundwater, various things about rainwater, what has been the impact so far, and so on.